The mechanism is believed to have been built in ancient Greece, possibly on the island of Rhodes, around 150–100 BCE. It represents a remarkable level of engineering and scientific knowledge for its time. In addition to its astronomical functions, the mechanism may have been used for navigation at sea and as a calendar. It could track the cycles of the ancient Greek calendar. The heart of the mechanism is its intricate gear system. The gears are made of bronze and were hand-cut with remarkable precision. The quality of craftsmanship is astonishing for its time.